What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So we are creating this eye look for you guys today. Like, I don't know where my inspiration was taking me, but it took me all over the place. So I love where I ended up with this look. It is a double cut crease with a pigment. So I love it, and you know we are using the James Charles palette once again. We are using this bad boy, and yeah, so if you guys want to see how I create this eye look, then keep on watching. And that is the look for today. Here is the finished look. I had to get a little zhuzhed up for you guys. So let me fill you in on the rest of the face. So this face is the same product, like the end result that I did in the previous dramatic James Charles video with the, I believe it's the purple eye or the blue eye, one of those two, but I will link it down below or up here somewhere. But yes, this is the eye that I came up with. Do we like it? And of course, this was using the James Charles palette. That palette is just kind of like getting everything out of my being. It's inspiring me so much, especially with color. I've been wanting to do dramatic looks. The only thing being is that I didn't really have a colorful palette with a lot of not shimmery shadows. Like, I needed that matte bright color that's pigmented, that blends well, that is everything that James Charles Morphe collab palette is. So it's an amazing palette. I do recommend you guys get your hands on it if you're still able to. So this is an amazing palette. I'm just gonna keep playing with this palette. The one new thing, well, a couple of new things. So I do have the Morphe Summer collab. This is the bronzer that I use on most of my face. It's the Megastar bronzer. It is amazing. I love the color, but I want to go back and I want to get the lightest shade and the darkest shade because I love how it blends, and I feel like it's an essential, especially for doing clients. That's amazing. And my highlight today is the new Anastasia loose highlight. The loose highlighter. This is in Snowflake. It is amazing. It's so beautiful on the skin. It's just like, everything I've wanted. So it's amazing and I love it. I do love it. I ended up going with Snowflake because I didn't really want a gold, because I have a lot of gold loose highlighters and highlighters already. So I wanted something different, and I saw the shade of this and I just feel like it stands out so well on my skin tone. So for my lips, I ended up using, again, this has been my go-to lip liner. It is the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner in the shade Keep It Spicy. And this is the retractable one, guys. And then I just have a lip gloss. This is the Morphe Summer Collection. This is the lip gloss that I have on. This color is in Beach Goals. Yes, it is also amazing. So that is pretty much it for this look, you guys. I hope you guys love this look, and I will keep it coming. We are actually going to Mexico, so I'm very excited. I am going to do a Mexico vlog for you guys, so you guys can take a peek at our family in Mexico. So I'm very excited for that. And yes, that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and join my familia here on YouTube if you haven't already. And I hope you guys like what you see. Drop me an emoji and let me know if you like this look. And that is it, you guys. So as always, adios.